Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to resize images in Photopea step by step in 2026. Whether you need to resize an image for social media, a website, YouTube, or printing, Photopea makes the process fast and easy. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Photopea. Click Open from Computer * and select the image you want to resize. Once the image loads, you're ready to change its dimensions. To resize the entire image, click the *** image *** menu at the top and select Image Size ***. A window will appear showing the current width and height of your image. Now enter your desired dimensions. If you want to keep the image proportions the same, make sure the *** chain icon is linked. This automatically adjusts the height when you change the width, preventing the image from becoming stretched or distorted. You can also change the measurement units from pixels to inches, centimeters, or other options depending on your project. If you're preparing an image for printing, you may also want to adjust the resolution while maintaining good image quality. After entering the new size, click *** OK ***. Your image will be resized instantly. Zoom in to check the quality and make any additional adjustments if necessary. When you're satisfied with the result, click *** File ***, choose *** Export as ***, and select **JPG***, **PNG***, or another format that suits your needs. Adjust the quality settings if required, then save the resized image to your computer. Before sharing or uploading the image, verify that the new dimensions match the platform's recommended size to ensure the best appearance. That's how to resize images in